We have got a great Easter weekend coming up. Lots of sunshine and warmer temperatures by about 10 degrees each day. Let's check the 13 weather ball, see how it's showing its face. 13 weather ball is red, and that means warmer weather ahead, as how the poem goes. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Still a bit cooler than our average high of 52 today, but warmer than yesterday by about 10 degrees. Mid and even upper 40s. That 47 came within 2 degrees of our forecast high of 49. We may still reach that yet this evening. Since we're now an hour later, it takes a little longer to heat things up. 3 days in a row within 3 degrees. You step outside this evening, got a chance to see the International Space Station once again. It only goes overhead certain times of the year, so go out about 8:42. This time you're going to face off to the south and watch it move from right to left for about 4 minutes. And if you turn around and look behind you, you might actually see a constellation of some Starlink satellites. Out on Lake Michigan, things are a lot calmer than they were earlier this week. Winds are shifting around more to the south and southwest, still gusting to 20 up on the north end of the lake, but the waves have come down quite a bit and plenty of sunshine. Lake Michigan, pretty much even in the past week and over the last month, but we are still 13 inches below the record high of last year at this time and still a little less than 2 feet higher than average, and we are in our annual rise right now. All depends on whether or not we get the usual amount of precipitation. May go up a couple of inches over the next month. But lots of sunshine throughout the day today, just some wispy high-level clouds, and we'll continue to see that over the weekend with some of these high clouds dissipating as they move through the region. But southerly winds kicking on in, be kind of breezy at the lakeshore late tonight and tomorrow morning. Other than that, a great weekend ahead. Lots of clear skies expected over the weekend, but rain next week. But as we get into the end of April, every Friday the 2-week outlook comes out. This is from the 17th through the 30th. We're scaling back our warmer than average temperatures all the way back into the Rockies and down south. So an equal chance that we could stay in the upper 50s to mid 60s as we get beyond the first half of the month. And there's a higher chance it'll be dry on down to the south and the southeast, an area that could be wetter than normal up to the north, but we have an equal chance of seeing our usual amount of precipitation. We usually get about 1.33 inches during that 2-week period. And yes, we still get chances of snow in April, and I would not be surprised if we have more snow in April than we did March, only because we didn't have any snow in the month of March. For tomorrow, though, plenty of sunshine. We may see a few high clouds early on in the day, but becoming sunny and breezy. Look at those south winds at 15 to 20, but the winds will diminish in the afternoon. Mid and even upper 50s. Downwind of the lake, you'll be cooler than closer down to the south. Up north, you'll jump into the mid and upper 50s under mostly sunny skies. Your mid and high clouds will be early on in the day, and then they'll move off to the east. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll have a little bit of a south wind with highs in the upper 50s to low 60s. If you're going to do any outdoor yard cleanup, do not do any burning because there's a high fire danger all weekend long until we get that rain, and that won't be until late in the day on Monday. 13 on your side forecast. 60 here tomorrow, 70 on Sunday, and we'll keep it at 70 on Monday. Dry most of the day. Most of the rain will come Monday night through Tuesday morning. Then we'll get a break until Wednesday, when there'll be some scattered showers around once again, and maybe even a rumble of thunder as a strong storm system moves through on Thursday into Thursday night. And then skies become sunny next Friday, and will cool off to around 60 the following Saturday and Sunday. Not quite as much sunshine as this weekend, but temperatures still above our average high of 52.